Ever wondered what happens if you drink celery juice for 7 days? Well, you're about to find out. It's no secret that celery juice has been touted as a health elixir by many. This humble green juice, packed with natural goodness, is said to hold an array of benefits for our bodies. From aiding digestion to reducing inflammation and even assisting in weight loss, celery juice seems to be a magic potion for health enthusiasts. But what if you were to drink it consistently for 7 straight days? Would the benefits be magnified? Or would it simply be too much of a good thing? This is where the 7-day celery juice challenge comes in. It's an experiment, a journey if you will, into the heart of this green wonder. So buckle up, health adventurers. It's time to explore the uncharted territories of the celery realm. Let's dive into what happens to your body day by day when you embark on this green journey. Day 1 starts with a glass of fresh celery juice. You might feel a bit different, but that's just your body adjusting. The initial impact of this change in your routine might surprise you. This green elixir is packed with nutrients, and its high water content is going to boost your hydration levels. Your body, which is used to getting its fluids from other sources, will start to appreciate this fresh source of hydration. Now, let's talk about your digestive system. Celery is known for its fiber content, which aids in digestion. In the first few days, you might experience a smoother digestion process. You're not only hydrating your body, but also nourishing it with essential nutrients it might have been lacking. As these changes start to take effect, you may find yourself feeling lighter and more energized. It's your body's way of thanking you for this nutrient-rich addition to your diet. By day 3, your body is starting to adapt, and you might notice some changes in your digestion and hydration levels. Now we're entering the heart of the challenge, days 4 to 7. This is the transformation phase, where the magic truly begins to happen. It's within these crucial days that your body starts to reap the potential benefits of consuming celery juice. One of the first things you might notice is your skin starting to glow. Celery juice is rich in vitamins and minerals that can help to nourish your skin from the inside out. You could start to see a reduction in blemishes and an overall clearer complexion. Next, you might experience a decrease in inflammation. The antioxidants in celery juice work to combat the free radicals in your body, which can help to reduce inflammation. Finally, your energy levels could begin to rise. Celery juice is known for its hydrating properties, and staying hydrated is key to maintaining high energy levels. Remember, these are potential benefits, and results may vary from person to person. By the end of day 7, your body could be feeling a range of benefits from this simple green elixir. So, what's the final verdict on the 7-day celery juice challenge? Well, let's take a stroll down memory lane. On embarking this journey, you might have noticed an initial surge of energy, a refreshing kickstart to your day. As days passed, some of you might have seen a shift in your digestion, a reduction in bloating perhaps, or a more regular bowel movement. For others, clearer skin or a boost in hydration could have been the surprise benefits. However, it wasn't all green and glowing. Some might have experienced a bit of a detox effect, feeling a little under the weather as the body adjusted to this new routine. Remember though, everyone's body is different. Your results may differ from your friends, and that's okay. If you're intrigued to try this out, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional beforehand. Drinking celery juice for a week could be a refreshing experiment to try. But remember, it's not a magic potion, and balanced nutrition is key to overall health.